It's nighttime, it's another's, the intent's gotta be there. A felony in your mind as you cross through the air. Pick a lock, cut an alarm, shatter the glass. Even a finger crossing over, that's a breaking fast. But if the door's wide open, wide enough to fit, that's not a breaking, better remember it. And the intent to commit, it's locked to the moment you cross that threshold. The law's gonna own it. Burglary, breaking and entering at night. Dwelling of another felony, intent inside. Robbery, force or fear, taking it away. Larceny merges in, you can't have it both ways. Assault, intent to touch or cause the fear. Words alone won't get you there. These are the crimes, lock 'em in your brain. Come exam day, you'll know every name. Robbery is trespassery, taking and carrying away the property of another by force, intimidation, or fear. Today, you can lie to create that fear and still be guilty here, but that's not larceny by trick. Keep those concepts clear. Assault is intent to battery or imminent dread. An offensive touch they're fearing, not just words you said. Words alone are never quite enough to seal the deal. You need the act, the intent, something they can feel. Burglary, breaking and entering at night. Dwelling of another felony, intent inside. Robbery, force or fear, taking it away. Larceny merges in, you can't have it both ways. Assault, intent to touch or cause the fear. Words alone won't get you there. These are the crimes, lock 'em in your brain. Come exam day, you'll know every name. Now accomplice, liability, 2 parts, listen close. Specific intent plus aid or abet, that's what matters most. The accomplice is guilty of every crime that's done, but if the crime's not completed, just accomplice liability, that's one. Before the fact, you helped but weren't at the scene. After the fact, felony's done, you know what I mean. You knew it was complete, and you helped them hide. That's accessory after, you can't run from that ride. So remember, nighttime dwelling, breaking intent. Force or fear for robbery, that's how it went. Assault needs more than words, it needs the threat of touch. Accomplice needs intent and aid. Memorize as much before the fact, after the fact. Know which one applies come exam day. You've got this crime